What is up everyone? My name's Jamie and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, smash that subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back. Before we get into today's video, I just want to get rid of all of this mess. So, just like that, all gone, and it's around here. And it's all magically going to appear here. These wheels I'm keeping as spares for the Fiat, just in case, because them wheels are massive on it and these will come in handy as spares. And yeah, I'm not going to keep them all obviously because they're a weird offset. They're like 4x98 or something I think they are, or 4x101, whichever. I think Mini is 4x98, these are 4x101, so they don't fit onto Minis and Mini wheels don't fit onto that. That's why I had to get the spacers made, especially made for the Fiat, because I couldn't get Fiat wheels that I wanted or liked that fit on the Fiat, because all the nice, like the John Brown wheels and the wheels I have in my Mini are Mini fitment and they don't actually fit that. They tell you to use wobble bolts. Don't use wobble bolts, I don't trust them. But yeah, all that's left out here now is all my cleaning gear, my power washer. The wheels will be moved as well. I'm just going to put my cleaning gear here, but the idea is clear all this space out because that wall is getting taken down, and then I'm just going to put a big gate. As you see the frame, I put that there before, but this is the wall I was talking about that turns so you can see it. I literally need that wall to go that way so I can have all this room to fit cars in, because it'd be perfect. It's a nice wide from the house to the wall straight down. I'd be able to fit wider cars in. It'd be ideal. So just going to get to finish all cleaning here and move on to the next thing. Now everything moved, looks so much better. Let's go out to the back garden and have a look. I just threw the wheels there for a little bit just to get them out of the way. So what we're doing is we're getting a skip next week. This is obviously going to go in the skip, and then we're digging all of this out and that's going into the skip as well. Then get some hardcore, whack it down, knock this wall down, build a gate. So it's getting knocked down to about here. Knock all that down, stick a board up just for the meantime. I will be getting a gate made for it, maybe even a shutter for what we're building all here. Apparently it's lunchtime. The wife just made me tea and a toasty. So yeah guys, today is a good video. I'm actually doing my first collaboration with another YouTube channel, the Outlaw Car guys. They're coming all the way down. They want to have a look at the Mini and they've never seen the Mini in person. They want to have a look around the car, have a look in the car, and they want to do some rollers and spins. So we're going to do that tomorrow. So today I'm just sorting out the garden and I'm sorting out the Mini, getting it all clean for the boys, then just going to get ready to do this garage. Also, another important thing for the channel, we are building a garage and I entered a raffle and I won it. I bought 2 numbers and I actually won the raffle, and here's what I won. So that's definitely going to come in handy for my poor knees. I'm not getting any younger, but yeah, this is a great space for the garage, great space for working on the cars for the future of the channel, because that's what it's all about. Yeah guys, I'll see you tomorrow when the boys are down having a look at the Mini. Before we get the boys over, I did an oopsie yesterday. I left the lid down, the boot lid down, and I moved it back and it hit the Fiat. Now it didn't actually damage the spoiler itself, but it did do this big mark, which I think will polish out, but I also broke the mounting point, so I'm gonna have to take this off, fix it and get it back onto the boot lid. So it's just a little bit loose, might come off doing about 50 miles an hour, so yeah, I'm gonna fix that. So she's back on, nice and sturdy, nice and strong. I just need to give all this here a wipe from it being up against it that long. Just a quick wipe, clean this out, and then get the inside of the car clean as well. Just so much crap sitting in the car since I got it home. So I'm just gonna clear all that out and give it all a wipe and make sure it's all clean. Yeah, all clean. Mat's back in. Clean, smelling good. No crap all around the car. Now. It's starting to rain, so I'm not even going to wash the car. Just leave it as is. It's clean enough, just sitting in the garden. A few bits of grub from the boards, throwing the stuff out up on top of the car. Yeah, she looks good and she looks ready.